What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. Today what we're gonna be doing is a little bit of maintenance on this thing. Probably driven it close to 1,000 miles already, if not more, in these past few weeks. Drove to San Diego, Riverside again, and just all around this place. So I haven't done the oil change and the spark plug, so I'm gonna do that today. I did want to remove the rear clamp, just because I noticed there's like some sort of, I want to say it's a motor mount broken on this side of the car. So if you remove the engine lid, it's gonna be like on this side. It's a little hard to get to, just because it's kind of tight in here. So I wanted to remove the rear clamp. Basically this whole back half of the car comes off. It's like I've seen online, it's like an hour and a half to 2 hours with two people. It's not the worst, but I probably won't be doing that, just for the reason that if I remove it, I don't want to lay it here and just have it there sitting. I would want to remove it and then do everything kind of like, like slowly, and not slow, but I don't want to be rushing so I can put it back up, because if not, this piece is just going to be hanging out in the back and I don't have space just for it to be chilling like that. So first things first, we're going to do the little bit of maintenance on it. And then I kind of want to see underneath the car, so I might drive to a muffler shop, see if we could put it on a lift, see how everything on the bottom looks. I did notice somewhere on the rear, I think it's had some sort of repair, just because some of the bolts down here were a little like, the whole car is like fiberglass. So on the bottom, some of the fiberglass is a little like torn and stuff. It's not bad, but it has had some sort of repair, which it's not that bad, but I want to get underneath it and make sure everything's straight and continue. I don't want to, if something's wrong, I want to fix it before I continue on to mod it and stuff and so on. So I'm gonna remove this, gonna remove the spark plug cover, and yeah, go to O'Reilly's or AutoZone and see what they give me. We're gonna need a little bit of star keys. Remove this and take out the oil cap. Google real quick, see what oil it needs, and should be easy peasy. Pretty easy when you have the right tools. When you don't have the right stuff, the right tools or whatever, what should have taken 20 minutes sometimes takes like an hour, if not more. So little by little, I've been buying my little tools. Here we have the coil packs, so remove these and then get the plugs out. Done. We got the box man right here. Take these off. Pretty dry, which is a good sign. We don't need no valve cover or gasket, so it's not bad.
Yeah, these came off.
Hey. Ready for the case up. What do you think? I think I had like a few more miles on them, no?
It don't look too bad. It's just pretty crusty from, from the other part.
Kind of NGK. Yeah, they're a little corroded.
They're not too bad though.
Maybe that's why I was getting.
This one's way cleaner though, so that's weird.
That's why I was getting that MPG. Instead of getting 40 MPG, I was getting 38. Might have been because of this.
This one has a little oil.
Oh yeah, they smell nasty.
Yeah. They smell funky. That smells really weird.
Is it? Yeah. A little wet, but not that bad.
What trips me out is this one.
Oh, the little corrosion shit?
Did it have like some water fall in there or something? Cause none of them are like this, so maybe it's some water that was sitting in there.
Who knows? Maybe this thing was in the bottom of the Titanic.
What's the gap at? 43? 42, 43?
Son de doble chispa o no?
We gotta gap them smaller so we can get all the horsepower.
More ponies for this bad boy.
Yeah, like 42, 43.
I say we drain the oil next and go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's. The bolt's right here. The oil filter is in front of it. A bit hard to see, but it's there. We're gonna let it all drip out, then take off the filter. Filter's off, spark plugs are off. I think we're gonna go to Walmart and buy the oil because it's cheaper there if you just buy the whole gallon of 5 quarts. It's like 26 bucks, 27 if you and if you go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's, if you use like synthetic, it's like 10 bucks a quart, so you save some money. Obviously the spark plugs, I have to get them out of O'Reilly's or AutoZone, so it's not too bad, but pretty easy. How long did it take us? Like 10 minutes, 5 minutes to?
Yeah.
Not bad. They don't have candy for dogs, that's why. It's for kids. Where's the oil at? The battery. Cleaning products. Here you go. 540, 530.
I've never seen 540.
Oh, we're gonna get the ones the guys from Life of Faggard get. Look, so you get this one synthetic, and we need the oil filter. We're gonna end up going with 530. Got the filter. Let's go. Open this bad boy. Tell them there's no working on cars over here. Got the goods. So I had to get Toyota Celica GT of spark plugs because I was sending them into Lotus and they don't have Lotus in their system. So, but it's a Celica, Matrix, and Corolla motor, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
So 1.8. So got the GT plugs. It'll work. Not bad. 100 bucks. Everything. Pretty good deal.
Those are actually the ones I saw on the internet, the BKR6Es, and that's what my buddy Damien runs. So
that's what he runs in his all-wheel drive and a Toyota All-Track. Got the stuff. I think we're gonna throw in the plugs first. Oh, actually, I'll tighten up the filter while Boombox throws in the plugs and get the ball rolling. Got the drain bolt back on. Got the leaf filter. Where's it at? Somewhere in there, but it's back on. Cleaned it up. We're ready to start it up. New plugs going in. Hell yeah. She's gonna fire up at the first crank now. Oh. How many foot-pounds of torque does it require?
About like 30 inch-pounds.
Sheesh. 2 OEM specs. I was gonna replace these, but not a big deal. We're ready for another 8,000 miles before we change the oil again. Sheesh. All the cold packs are bolted down. Need to throw in the oil. I think that's it. Need to find the funnel real quick. Topping off this bad boy. 4.5 quarts. That's what it says. Let's check it out.
What's the jug? 5? Oh.
Top 4, pretty much. Let's check the oil and then go from there. What's on that side? I don't know why I like when the oil looks super clean on the dipstick. Oddly satisfying. Barely the tip.
Hey, that's what she said, bro.
Should I just throw it all in there?
Probably gonna leak it out anyways. Just start it and then we'll check it.
Yeah, 4.5.
Nice.
Where's the cap at? No knocks or ticks. Oh.
Yeah?
Sounds good. So as soon as I said everything went as planned, I forgot to put the little ring, the washer around the drain bolt. So it started dripping a little bit of oil. So I'm taking out the clean oil again and then gonna put the nut with a washer and throw back the oil inside, man. Nothing ever goes as planned. Second time is a charm. Fixed that already. Ready for fire up. Oh. Sounds pretty good. So, I think we're done with this little video. A little bit of maintenance can never go wrong with a little bit of maintenance. Yeah, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe.